fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. In this video I am going to be roasting chicken. This is what I need to roast my chicken. This is my chicken here, and I have here my fresh pepper, my garlic powder, lime, and 2 Maggi cube, salt, and I need my paprika, the yellow one and the green one with the red one. And here is my onions, and here is my potato. I'm going to be roasting it with potato. So at first we'll get started by cutting the chicken by removing the side that you know that you don't need. So keep watching, guys. So after cutting it, this is what I removed from it. I don't need, especially when I'm roasting chicken, I don't need something like this on my chicken. I have removed it. So the next step is for we to lay our layer on it. Step 1. And in case you were wondering why I added this leaf on it, I like the scent of the leaf especially when I'm roasting my chicken. If I don't have this leaf, I can't. The chicken is not going to taste enough for me. That's the reason why I'm adding the leaf, to blend with what I want to blend. Keep watching, guys. So after blending it, this is what I got. Just going to be adding it on my chicken. I am not going to add all. I will leave some for the potato. Just mix together. So after mixing it, this is what I got. going to be laying it on my pan. So the next step for me to do now is to peel up my potato. Keep watching, guys. So the next step now is for me to wash the potato. So just mix it together. So So guys, here is the finishing part of my roasted chicken lap. So I'm going to be putting it, so I'm just going to be placing it here in my bowl. So that is how our chicken look like. If you find this video interested, please don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are a new person here, subscribe. In this channel we cook, we do a lot of things in this channel.